playing guitar for over 40 years. And one of the things I like to show new guitar players is how easy it is to improvise little blues licks over a chord. All you have to do is know a simple chord and the first position of the scale. And I'm going to show you what that is right now. So our first chord, we'll just do this over an A chord. And this works in any key, in any chord, okay? So we're going to play an A bar chord here. I bar over the 5th fret with my first finger. My second finger goes on the 6th fret on the G string, which is the 3rd string from the bottom. My pinky's going to go right here on the 7th fret on the D string, and then my 3rd finger is going to go right here on the 7th fret on the A string. So here, this is an A chord. So you want to get to where you can be able to hear all the strings on that, okay? And that's going to be your bar chord. And if you can play that anywhere on the neck, okay? So now you know the A chord. So now you need to know the first position of the A blues scale. That's going to be 5, 8, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8. So when you're first learning that, just down pick every note. And then go back up. And if you want to get faster at it, you can down up pick each note. It'll teach you how to double pick, they call it. You go. And once you understand, you've learned all that and you feel very fluent in it, then you can start changing things on it. You don't have to go up and down all the way. You can go part of the way down and go back up. That's the basis for a blues lead. And after you understand it, this chord belongs to that pattern. And then you can start throwing some different sorts of rhythms in there. So that's an A, and you can use this anywhere on the neck. You can move it back here, and it'll be a G chord. And as long as you play that same pattern, you'll have the first position on that chord also. You can put it up here to B. Comes from this chord And this scale played over that chord. And that's lots of improvising, and you can make lots of songs from that. It's very nice, and it sounds good. It's pretty simple to play, and it sounds good. So any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe and like our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.